So I'm gonna do something that I hate doing. I'm going to clean out the fridge. So if you want to see what we have in our fridge, we have vegan and non-vegan. Of course, you guys know that I eat vegan, and my son and my husband both eat vegan occasionally when they don't know, and occasionally obviously they eat meat and cheese and dairy and stuff like that. So you'll see a mix of both things in our fridge, and let's just go because I need to clean this shit out. Let's do it. Okay, so here is our ridiculously full fridge, which is why we need to clean it out. Oh my god, things have just been shoved in here. So some stuff unfortunately is going to go in the garbage if it's old. Some stuff I'm going to keep, like I made some pre-made lunches there. Those are going to be kept. Here we go. This kitty wants to be in the video too. What? What? This cocktail sauce, if you guys ever go to Meijer, is freaking gross. I can't even keep this in my fridge. It's been sitting there because I'm like, oh, I'll use it. It's nasty. Don't buy it. Oh my god. So this is Trader Joe's vegan dark chocolate. It's really not the best dark chocolate, but I paid for it, so I'm gonna eat it. And then we only keep Earth Balance butter in the house. It's all vegan. Woo! Sorry, kitty. Sorry, baby. It's all vegan, organic butter. Is it organic? I don't know. It's got kitty hair all over it now, though. But we only keep Earth Balance butter in the house, so I'm just gonna really put this stuff back because Philadelphia cream cheese that nobody's gonna use, and it's old. This is delicious vegan Parmesan cheese. This is one of my favorites. I don't buy eggs anymore unless the boys specifically ask for eggs, but normally our eggs would go up here in this little spot, but pretty much I've been keeping my soy milk or almond milk up here lately. Milk, I know. This vegan cheese is disgusting. I didn't want to throw it away because I paid like $4 for this, but I can't eat it. It's gross. See, I have another container of this kind. This is the delicious cocktail sauce from McCormick, so I'm sure you can find this anywhere. Let me just show you this last little bit of stuff right here. Okay, so barbecue sauce we love. These are all fine. Mustard's fine. I'm just gonna reorganize. Parmesan cheese, the boys like that. This is teriyaki marinade. This is another barbecue sauce. Crescent roll, these are good. I don't know if they're actually vegan though, so I haven't really looked. They've just been in our fridge for a while. Caramel sauce for my son. Cinnamon grands, which these are probably really old. We don't even make these anymore. These are delicious. If you've never tried this, you should. It's amazing. And then another teriyaki sauce. So I'm pretty happy with that down there. Lots of butter. These are pre-prepped meals. This one's chicken and rice for David, and these are 3 vegan meals for me for lunches at work. Because I do that when I go to work. So this I got from Costco, and I had never tried it before, but I was super into avocados and super into salsa, so I was like, oh, this has gotta be perfect, right? No, this stuff is way too spicy for my liking, and it just doesn't have a good flavor to it. Here's that. It seriously is not that good, and I'm actually gonna throw it away because now it's old because nobody ate it because it was gross. No, don't even get it. Don't waste your money on that. Literally, I feel like that was like $6. Like, here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, $6 for you, garbage can. Get it.
Helping my mom today clean out the fridge.
Oops.
I was just eating my pizza and I'm done and I
that he made himself.
Yep. And if you like to watch me clean the fridge today, then come watch right now.
This is
Can I put some stuff back? I'll help.
right here.
Right.
Yep. And then grab that strawberry lemonade or raspberry lemonade up there.
I'll put it away.
That side. Because we love the pickles. So here's the fridge all cleaned out. I have a few mayos, vegan mayo here and then non-vegan mayo there, some salsa, which I have a bunch more in the pantry, a couple juices, some wine, pomegranate juice, lots of pickles, prepared meals, hummus, which I love, pepperonis for the boys for making pizzas, some vegan sour cream, vegan meats, some tempeh, some tofu. Tofu needs to be made like tomorrow. Hemp seeds. These are just from Panera Bread. They're not vegan. They're for and they're for bagels. For my husband, some spinach. This is the best dressing ever. Some vegetable stock, some beer, some apple cider, which my son loves. We'll move this up to the top row once that is gone. And then we have cheeses and meats in here for the boys, and then my cheese is back here. This is the best sliced cheese. Nothing in there, which normally we have soda. This is all of my son's stuff there. Juices, apple sauces, fruits. And then this is fruits and veggies for me, and my son also gets to have whatever he wants in here. Some pre-made baked potatoes, which I love. And then you guys already saw me clean out this area, so that's all cleaned out. So that is our still very stocked fridge, and now I can grocery shop based on what I already have. So there it is. So I hope you guys enjoyed my refrigerator clean out, and I know it wasn't very exciting at all, but my husband came home in the middle of it, so I kind of stopped filming for a second, but kitty. But it is all cleaned out, and now I feel a lot better about going grocery shopping and knowing what I have. You should always do that, save some money, because I throw away tons of money, as you saw. Because I threw away tons of money, as you saw. That was my husband in the background. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this refrigerator clean out, and make sure to ring the bell for more videos from me, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.